The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre is the brand's first ever electric car, and it's a truly remarkable machine. It's also one of the most expensive electric cars on the market, with a starting price of over $420,000. But for that kind of money, you get a car that's incredibly luxurious, comfortable, and powerful. Exterior. The Spectre's exterior design is a mix of classic Rolls-Royce elements and modern EV styling. It has a long, sweeping silhouette, a massive grille, and iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. But it also has some unique features, like its flush door handles and its taillights that are shaped like the Rolls-Royce RR logo. Interior. The Spectre's interior is even more impressive than its exterior. It's trimmed in the finest materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The seats are incredibly comfortable, and the cabin is packed with features like a Starlight headliner, a panoramic sunroof, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Performance. The Spectre is powered by two electric motors that produce a combined 577 horsepower and 664 pounds-feet of torque. That gives it plenty of power to accelerate quickly and reach highway speeds with ease. But the Spectre is also incredibly smooth and quiet, thanks to its electric powertrain and its advanced suspension system. The 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre is an incredible car. It's luxurious, comfortable, powerful, and technologically advanced. It's also one of the most expensive electric cars on the market, but it's worth the money for those who are looking for the ultimate in luxury and performance. So, if you're looking for the most luxurious and exclusive electric car on the market, the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre is the car for you. It's a truly remarkable machine, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go.